Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, viewers, and welcome, Nexo. This is a grammar class about what questions.
Hi, Emma. I am ready to learn. What questions?
First, I will show the lesson structure. Theory. We learn the rules step by step. Examples. We see short, clear sentences. Quiz. You choose the correct option. Nexo, are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Now we start with the theory.
Great. I will listen carefully.
Meaning of what? Use what to ask about a thing, an idea, or an action. Example. What is that? Example. What do you see? A. What question needs a question mark at the end? Example. What is this? Example. What is your phone number? What with be? With be, use what plus am, is, or are before the subject. Example. What is your name? Example. What are these? Example. What am I holding? Use what is for one thing and what are for two or more things. Example. What is in the box? Example. What are in the bags? What with do and does? With action verbs, use what plus do or does before the subject. Example. What do you want? Example. What does she need? Use does with he, she, or it. Use do with I, you, we, or they. Example. What does he eat? Example. What do they play? What plus a noun. Put a noun after what to ask for one type of information. Example. What color is the car? Example. What time is the movie? Example. What day is the meeting? Answering what questions? A what question asks for information, so the answer is usually a word or a short phrase. Example. What is your job? A teacher. Example. What do you drink? Water.
Do not answer a what question with only yes or no. Example. What is in your hand? A key. Example. What does the dog want? Food.
Good work with the theory. Now we will see more examples.
Examples help me see the pattern.
What is this book? What is on the table? What are those animals? What are in the boxes? What do you eat for breakfast? What do the children draw? What does the cat see? What does your brother read? What color is your bag? What time is lunch? What day is your class? What music do you like? What sport does she play? What is under the chair? What do you have in your bag?
The examples were clear. Now it is quiz time.
I am ready to choose.
Choose an option. What is? What is your name? Choose an option. What are? What are these keys? Choose an option. What do? What do you want? Choose an option. What does? What does he need? Choose an option. What color? What color is the door? Choose an option. What time? What time is the bus? Choose an option. What day? What day is the party? Choose an option. What does? What does the baby hear? Choose an option. What do? What do they watch? Choose an option. What is? What is in the cup? Choose an option. What sport? What sport do you play? Choose an option. What does? What does your mother cook?
Good job. You completed the class.
Thank you, Emma. See you in the next lesson.